Hi guys, Teresa Zaremba here from Lokahi, Hawaii on Etsy, and I just got finished making my transitional toothpaste that I use, and I just wanted to kind of, while I have it in front of me before it actually sets into the consistency that I want, I figured that I would share my recipe with you guys. And it's actually not the recipe. I'm just going to tell you what ingredients I use. And oh, sorry, I have my gator clips in. I actually have a face mask in before I have to run my errands, but I am using my fenugreek and Corella face mask. So if you are interested in natural products, visit me on Lokahi, Hawaii on Etsy. In any case, I just want to share my recipe with you. So transitional toothpaste, first let me explain, is when you go from using natural, your normal toothpaste, store-bought, Colgate, all that good stuff, and you want to start going more natural and transitioning over to like the Bentonite Clay, the activated charcoal, you definitely don't just want to jump into natural products because you can end up getting a sensitivity. So you actually have to give your body time to adjust. And in that case, that's the reason why I wanted to share my recipe with you. So this is nothing fancy. This is just me, Teresa, reaching out to you to see if I can help any of you, because I actually love this product. I'm not using anything else. So the first thing that I did is I did go out. Transitional toothpaste, you're going to want to buy whatever Colgate you like. What I do recommend is that the toothpaste with the breath strips actually make this taste so good. I'm going to say taste, but you know. So I bought 2 tubes of toothpaste here and added activated charcoal. And I'm going to show you my tube. I reuse this and I fill this. This is a 16 ounce, I believe. And I continue to use the same container. I just mix it up, and one of these containers will, I swear to God, last me like 3 to 4 months. So it's just super amazing. If you're like me and was going out and buying herbal toothpaste, you get this little tube for $5. It just wasn't happening for me, and I'd go through those like crazy. Who spends $20 for one person to have their toothpaste? So in any case, in this here, what I did was I added about 3 tablespoons of Bentonite Clay to the toothpaste that I squeezed in there. I added, what did I do? 1 tablespoon of the activated charcoal. And by all means, this is not the recipe for you to try. I'm basically just giving you basics. If you're new to DIYing, what you'll need to understand is that what I make here in Florida, my exact recipe won't match someone, say like in Connecticut, or you know, depending on the season. If it's raining outside here where I am and I made my same product someplace else where it was dry, the consistency is not going to be the same. So you always, if you want to start DIYing and you find a recipe that you like, don't copycat it. Don't copycat it. You can actually take the ingredients and you can try, but you have to actually weigh things out. Shea butters of different brands have a different consistency. Coconut oils, I've noticed that too many companies are starting to aerate like their shea butters and stuff like that, which then it's not solid. The measurements are completely off, and they're doing a total injustice to us natural DIYers and handcrafted gurus that, you know, so they're just doing an injustice. So that, just please keep that in mind. And I'm sorry if I'm talking fast. I actually gotta get somewhere and take some pictures of a property that I'm getting ready to list. So in any case, I love baking soda. So I added about a tablespoon of the baking soda. First things first, 2 tubes of toothpaste, and you're going to make a watery consistency using some all-natural mouthwash. Now this is Dr. Tickner's peppermint mouthwash in concentrate. This was about $4 or $5. Again, it's small because it's a concentrate. So you can do everything to just taste and flavor, but at the end, you're just going to want to make sure that you have the right consistency that's suitable for you. It doesn't matter. Sometimes people take these ingredients and they use a dry toothpaste. I can't. This here is Desert Essence, and I got this from my local Whole Foods. This was about $10 or $11. But I added everything together, the liquids, the toothpaste, and the mouthwashes first, made a consistency, added the Bentonite Clay, activated charcoal, and then also my, excuse me, my baking soda. And this is optional, I just love it. I also added some clove essential oil and some peppermint essential oil. So if you want to kind of spice it up and try different things, I just would stay safe. Don't start going with like oranges or eucalyptus, that type of stuff. Like play with it little by little to kind of see what your actual taste will be. So I added a little bit of a peppermint essential oils in this also. At the end of the day, you're gonna want to make sure anything that you put in your mouth has a consistency that's not going to make you sick or be less desirable to use. So this is the consistency that you're probably going to want to get to. What's going to happen is once the clay starts to absorb the ingredients and everything starts to marry each other and get familiar with each other, this is actually going to fluff up and dry out a little bit. So then in that case, you would come back, add a little more mouthwash, and voila. So there you have it. Toothpaste, bentonite, clay activated charcoal, baking soda if it's option, if you like that, it's completely optional. Essential oils, peppermint is great to start off with. I used clove and peppermint. I like those together. And all natural mouthwash. So I am getting ready to head out of here. Looks like the sun is going down, so I apologize for the lighting, but I definitely just wanted to connect with you guys while I did this, so I'll look like crap. I don't care. If you're looking for someone who wants to get all dolled up and not be a natural human being that wakes up with sleep in their eyes, then you can click out of this video, because I'm just a really real I'm an old lady and I'm a mom, so you know how that goes. So there you have it. That is the recipe. Please, if anyone tries this, let me know. Connect with me. One, I love to know who's actually chiming in and finding the things that I love useful in their life also. But then in that case, when you do, share with me. Tell me what you've used and how you love it. And this is my recipe that I'm sticking to. I just want to hear if your journey and you trying this product actually is life-changing for you and can get you out of just the full-based chemical toothpaste. I apologize. So again, thank you for chiming in and spending time with me while I made my transitional toothpaste. All right, guys, mahalo. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.